Alright, we got most of the metal done. There's the neighbor's dog, Rex. What's up, Rex? If you see here, I did the ramp, redid it, put the 90-degree turn in it, and check out the rest of our porch. Went ahead and extended our porch out. So we have an area to step up to our door. Got the ceiling done. Ended up using some old rusty tin. And those are those flat LED lights. We went ahead and wired them up out here. At least we don't have to wait on sheetrock. And there's the door. There's the meter main. There it is. Guys, the back side of the house. A little better. Again, there's my water tank. Got one spot up there we still got to work on. We got to start working on our soffits and our fascia. But that's where we're at. Ouch. Shout out to TJ and Marcus for helping today. Appreciate you guys. That all kind of helped throughout this past 6 to 8 months. It's been well appreciated. You guys remember there were like 4-foot holes. Right here was one. Right there was one. Been working on getting dirt underneath here, getting the trash out, and getting it ready for plastic. Pretty much ready. We're going plastic from the very front of the porch, bring it all the way back, get everything taped up and sealed. So this is where we're at on the crawl space. Oh, over here, I'm gonna leave this little gully and dig it out a little better. I'm gonna put my filter wall from this joist, bring another joist down, and make my filter wall, and leave that little gully so I can stand up and it be eye level. Working on my filter wall. This is under my crawl space. Got everything in the ground. I'm basically gonna build a cabinet up right here. It's gonna go up to the joist. And this will be a little cabinet area that holds my filters and possibly my pressure tank. Just wanted to show y'all that. Go ahead and show you how far we got on the plastic for the crawl space. Didn't get as much done as I would have liked, but more than half done. Pretty sweet. Like I was saying before, this little area right here will hold my water wall, my water filter wall. Another day out here at Deep Roots. Got B. Joe's Construction out here giving me a hand. We're gonna extend this roof out, make it match the new porch extension so it goes over the rail. I'm sorry, goes over the ramp. Starting to work on the soffit. Took a little bit of tin I had left, put it out here. Then I'm gonna take all this old tin from the original roof. Hopefully gonna split it down the middle and use it for the soffit around the perimeter. This soffit. Heck yeah. Got the bird boxes on this side complete. Yeah, and a little backstory on this old rusty tin that I use on the bottom side of my porch roof is actually my grandpa's old tin. He tore off a old carport. So this tin is 50 plus years old and we're excited to get another generation use out of it. And thank you to everybody who's watched and subscribed. We appreciate the support. Like I said before, it's been a long journey, but we're going to do this piece by piece and hopefully end up with something pretty awesome it's not tied to a bank loan. Show you some of this woods we have out here. This is the back half of the 2.2 acres. Pretty much wilderness. Original shed. We added a carport to our new shed back there. But like I said, thank you guys for watching. Stick around for more content. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button.